Dear godly inquisitive, say with love, Jai Prabhu Sadanand Ji. Param Pujya Sant Gyaneswar Swami Sadanand Ji Paramhans is currently bestowing the same Tattva Gyan as was imparted by Lord Vishnu Ji, Lord Ram Ji, Lord Krishna Ji to godly devoted and surrendered individuals. Under his Tattva Gyan, one sees the self, the soul and God separately and distinctly with conversations and with visual perception of immortality. Sant Gyaneswar Swami Sadanand Ji Paramhans says that a true Hindu is he who is free from contaminated intentions, means who is faultless, principally virtuous, belonging to the process of free immortal life. A true Jnani is he who knows how to get Arihant and to achieve the knowledge of real perception of Nirvan. A Jnani is who knows the essence of the truth. A true Bodh is he who has a true knowledge and real perception of Bodhisattva. A true Jew is he who, having faith and hope towards the system of Jehovah, Paramatma, Almighty Lord, follows and lives under only the commandments of Jehovah, not anyone else. A true Christian is he who really knows, sees and recognizes the Godfather of Christ, the Word, both clearly having faith and conformity towards God with surrendership and taking refuge in Him. A true Muslim is he who with perfect honesty surrenders and takes refuge to dedicate towards Allah Ta'ala Kalalam, Alif Lam Mim, or on the path of religion, deen with life and property. A true Sikh is he who surrenders and takes refuge in Ekomkar Sat Sri Akal, learning and knowing how to get and identify from Sadguru about inanimate world with body, chi, soul, maya, the nature and Paramatma, creator and his mercy and all. Therefore, Sant Gyaneswar Swami Sadanand Ji Paramhans says that really who is a true Hindu, he is a even true Jnani. Who is a true Jnani, he is even true Bodh. Who is a true Bodh, he is even a true Jew. Who is a true Jew, he is even a true Christian. Who is a true Christian, he is even a true Muslim. Who is a true Muslim, he is even a true Sikh. Who is a true Sikh, he is even a true Hindu. Because Paramatma, Parmeshwar, Bhagwan, Arihant, Bodhisattva, Jehovah, God, Parmeshwar, Allah Ta'ala and Ekomkar, Sat Sri Akal, Satpurush, Parampurush are not different and separate entity, but one to all the one with numerous names. Then where is the difference and how? Difference is a dire delusion rooted in nations which creates misleading, and this misleading is the root cause of all revolt and plundering and killing. Get up from differences to be true. We all are the progeny of one God. Mutually, all of us belongs to a single family. Create mutuality. Keep aloof from misleading, because truth is one, will remain one. Remainder all is gossip. Truth, the one has incarnated. Gossips have to perish. Only the mercy of God. Jai Prabhu Sadanand Ji. Our headquarter is Purushottam Dham Ashram, Purushottam Nagar, Sidhaur, Barabanki, Uttar Pradesh. Pin code number 225413, India. Telephone number is 915244222253. For more details, visit www.santgyaneswarji.org or www.bhagwansadanandji.org. Jai Prabhu Sadanand Ji.